looks like the timing's just right. I did my shopping at the Autobacs and everyone's rolling in now. Whew. It's pretty crazy. I guess they do have to line up coming in. So I got here at around like almost 7 o'clock and it was pretty empty. I guess they don't show up until now it's probably around 8. Nice. Well, let's go check things out inside. Alright man, once again I'm here at the 8-pit Autobacs Shinonome. I'd done some of my shopping earlier and now everyone's rolling in. So let's check them out. So a convoy of R35s just rode in. I think they're from the tour group. The lowdown. I've been seeing these guys a lot lately. Wow, we got all the R35s. Is this guy Nismo? Let's see. Yeah, it is a Nismo. R34, and it's not a GTR, but still looks nice. So these guys all have their Instagram stickers on there, all blacked out. That's a real one, eh?
Yeah, that's the way.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Only JDM Tokyo. Oh, that one looks nice. This one wasn't part of the tour group. Huh, it's got a top secret body kit. Yokohama Advent GT Beyond GT wheels. Yeah, I've always loved these. That's a giant spoiler, man. This is a 50th anniversary edition. I actually don't know enough to tell if it is or not. Nonetheless, it's done proper. It's done proper. Let's go back, check out the front of this 34. This dude just finished his car wash. Let me show you something. This one looks like this in the back. Maybe it's on purpose. And look at what else we have here. 34 GTT, the 4-door. I feel like I've seen this one before, probably in Shibuya. I gotta start remembering these guys' plates. Nonetheless, an iconic look that I think everyone loves. And pan over to this side with an Itasha BMW. The Subaru. And actually I like this a lot. It's a Celica. I've always loved these cars. Let's pan over to the other side. Lancer Evolution. A pair of them. Of course, another R34. Probably a GTT again, the 4-door. So overall it is a quieter day today, unlike last time when I was here. Let's see, anything interesting in the car wash? No. Let's check this guy out. Did a nice drive by there. Oh, we got a 10 car. But I actually don't know what kind of car it is, but it definitely represents. Mildly done up, but still it's got a pretty nice front lip, I would say. The Evos. Oh, that's an interesting color. It's like a copper red almost. Alright, let's check out the front. I think I saw some interesting stuff when I was coming in. You gotta wonder where everyone's at. What do we have coming in? 86 Hachiroku. It's getting dangerous here. Let the Itasha go. Anastasia. And there's a dude driving it. Yeah. It's always dudes driving this stuff. GTRs. This one's always here. It's all done out. Averex lights. It's got a matte wrap. Oh man. Endless oversized brake disc and caliper. I swear this guy must be a show car of some sort. Yeah, definitely remember this spoiler here. Blitz Hachiroku. So running full Blitz parts. Yeah. Blitz brake kit, Anki wheels. Wait a second, is this guy for sale? Maybe it is. Or maybe that's actually the modification fee, because that's like $3 grand. Actually, this one's done pretty nicely. Race wheels. Litz. This one is a GR86. No way this is a real carbon fiber hood, right? Can't tell, I don't want to touch it. This one's, I don't think it's a big brick disc, but it's got a big caliper. Bride seats. Look at that. The 86 is actually in red. I've never seen that before. Okay, this guy's running HKS. I think that's the N1. On this side, R34 Skyline GTT. Wait, didn't I see this guy at Daikoku the other day? Yeah, I'm pretty sure I've seen this guy at Daikoku the other day. Another R34 Skyline GTR, I think. Man, look at that front bumper. What's going on here? Yeah, I've seen some of these guys before. The green one. The one that I said looked like a Green Goblin. That was at the underground car meet. The OP Works R35. Oh yeah, it's even got a Starbucks cup on a spoiler. Oh man, that's some aggressive body kit. Alright, dude, let's just leave. Interesting. Nice. You see the headlights? One side pops up and then the other side pops up. Never seen it. Funniest part is a dude driving it. It's always a dude driving it.
This car is a Lentaru.
Which one?
That's MX-5.
Ah, yeah. Not R34. Man, this thing almost looks like a sedan though. Maybe it's done up this way on purpose. Yeah, it's not a GTR. The badge can say whatever it wants. Yeah, I think these are part of two groups again. And now the R34, so I think these guys with the two groups like to use R34 four-door GTT. R35. This one's mildly done with body kit. Wait, what does this say? Oh, it's the alarm. Oh, whose DC2 is that? Oh, wait a second, that's my DC2. Okay, so unless new cars rolled in, that should be it for tonight. I'll stop here, but I'll check inside again to see if there's any new addition. See ya. So this is how it's like when everyone's rolling out. Yeah, I think the group's going somewhere else, probably Daikoku right now. Oh, looks like everyone's rolling out. else, it's pretty empty in here now. So I better go to Daikoku also, see if I'll see everyone else. Alright everyone, I just left Apit Autobacs Shinonome. I'm about to head to Daikoku right now. Oh, just follow me for this full drive to Daikoku. Hopefully no issues with the ETC because I don't have an ETC card. Let the VTEC go, baby. Hi, Nissan. Hi. 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 はい、ありがとうございます。ありがとうございました。はい。That's it. There is nothing happening today. And I guess with that, I would have to clear out. And that's what happens sometimes at Daikoku. Cars get cleared out. Oh well, I guess better luck next time. Guess with this I could do a peel out by myself.